Presentation means a lot. What would you say about this presentation?
This is so princess-like. I mean, a nice little bow here, pretty gold. Then you got a nice card with the notes all listed here.
Earth of Venus, again, packaging is beautiful on these fragrances, man. Let's go ahead and get into the fragrance.
Heart notes, narcissus, jasmine, tuberose. Oh, wait, guys, rose and chocolate? This is going to be very interesting.
So let's get into the smell. I'm excited, man.
Base notes, amber, vetiver, cedar, labdanum, Mysore sandalwood, and cashmere wood.
Sprayer.
This is a lot.
Nice sprayer. Oh, I already smell it. Oh,
do you? I don't smell it yet, y'all. Okay, here we go.
Woo.
This is pretty edible. You guys know and probably remember I am very picky about things. Especially darker notes, like sometimes amber in the presentation could be like too overbearing, but the notes are balanced so well.
That smells really good. I mean, I could it's definitely female leaning fragrance. Maybe a guy could potentially pull this off, maybe the right scenario, but it's definitely those florals in here. First impression on this one, ladies, if you want something that is sensual, it has, like, to me, again, that sweetness, a kind of gourmand feel to it. So I really like that about this fragrance. Ladies, I definitely say jump on this.